Revolutionize your laundry routine with an on-demand laundry app. Imagine having your laundry picked up, washed, and delivered back to your doorstep, all with just a few taps on your smartphone. This is not just a dream, but a reality that is transforming the laundry service industry. The idea of on-demand laundry services emerged from the need to save time and simplify household chores. With the rise of mobile technology, laundry apps have become an integral part of daily life, allowing people to focus on more important activities. This market is rapidly expanding, proving to be a lucrative business opportunity. An on-demand laundry app like Cleanly offers a seamless user experience. Users download the app, register, and set their preferences. They can schedule a pickup time within 24 hours, and a valet collects the dirty laundry. The clothes are then washed, folded, and delivered back to the user. This entire process is automated, ensuring efficiency and convenience. For consumers, on-demand laundry apps turn a tedious chore into a hassle-free experience. With just a few clicks, users can schedule and pay for laundry services, choose from various options like dry cleaning or organic scents, and enjoy the convenience of having their clothes delivered clean and fresh. This saves time and effort, allowing for more leisure activities. For traditional laundry businesses, developing an app can significantly increase brand visibility and customer base. Apps streamline business processes by automating customer data entry, order labeling, and scheduling pickups and deliveries. This not only boosts sales, but also enhances operational efficiency, making it easier to manage and grow the business. There are two primary business models for on-demand laundry apps: marketplace and aggregator, and on-site. The marketplace model connects users with local laundry service providers, while the on-site model involves the business handling the entire process from pickup to delivery. Both models offer unique advantages and can be tailored to fit specific business needs. Building a successful on-demand laundry app involves several steps. First, plan your project by defining the app's purpose and features. Next, set a financial budget based on your requirements. Determine the project's scope, including the costs for development and distribution. Hire skilled developers and designers to create the app, ensuring it meets high-quality standards. Finally, deploy the app on platforms like the Apple App Store and Google Play, handling all necessary formalities and documentation. On-demand laundry apps are revolutionizing the way we handle household chores. They offer unparalleled convenience for consumers and significant growth opportunities for businesses. By investing in a well-designed app, you can tap into this rapidly expanding market and provide a valuable service that meets the needs of modern living.